What is the internet? You use it every day. You pay for it every month. But have you ever asked what exactly is it? Where does it come from? Who owns it? Why do we pay for it? And how did it evolve from a wire in 1880 to your phone today? Let's break it down. First, forget apps, websites, or Wi-Fi. The internet is not a thing. It's a connection, a giant invisible web that allows machines to talk to each other across the world, instantly. But how did it begin? The story starts in the 1880s, with something as basic as a telegram. Two humans sent electrical signals through wires to deliver a message across a city. That was the birth of digital communication. Then in 1969, something changed forever. A US military research team built ARPANET, a small network that connected a few universities. They used large machines to send simple text from one computer to another. It wasn't the internet yet, but it was the first time machines in different cities were able to talk. By the 1980s, more universities joined, then government bodies, then international researchers, and suddenly, this messy network of connected machines became something global. That something became the internet. Now let's pause here. The internet is not owned by any one person. No company owns it. What you're using is access to a network of networks. But how does it reach your phone? Let's take an example. When you send a message on WhatsApp, your message leaves your phone. It goes through your Wi-Fi or mobile network. It travels through a router. From there, it reaches your internet service provider, Jio, Airtel, ST, whatever you use. That ISP routes it to a bigger network through underground fiber cables, possibly under oceans. It reaches the WhatsApp server, hosted in a massive data center. The response travels back the same way in milliseconds. That's the internet. A highway system where information is the vehicle. But highways need maintenance. That's why you pay monthly fees. You don't pay for the internet. You pay for the road that lets you access it. Your ISP maintains the wires, the routers, the DNS systems, the traffic flow, the speeds. Now here's the part no one tells you. When you pay for 100 Mbps, you're not buying speed. You're buying priority access on a shared road. If the highway is crowded, your provider controls how fast your car moves. And that's why speed is not constant. Let's go back to your daily life. Every time you watch YouTube, scroll Instagram, book an Uber, send money online, use ChatGPT, you're using hundreds of internet protocols, DNS lookups, TCP connections, and server requests. But here's what changed everything. The internet moved from wired machines to pocket-sized humans, from desktop modems to mobile towers, from single browsers to voice assistants, from email only to AI generating video and code. The internet didn't just grow, it became alive. And now in 2025, we're entering the next era, internet from the sky. With satellites like Starlink, with drones delivering 5G to rural zones, with mesh networks during disasters, with brain-computer interfaces sending thoughts as data. The future internet won't ask you to connect. You'll always be connected. But that raises the question, if you're always connected, are you truly free? That's where the story goes next. You see, the internet gave us freedom, but it also became a mirror. It reflects what we search, what we fear, what we desire. So the internet is not just technology, it's us in data form. So the next time someone asks, what is the internet? Don't say Wi-Fi. Say this, it's the largest conversation in human history, and you're part of it. This is InfinityAiTech, where we don't just teach you tech, we show you the truth behind it. Next video, how Flipkart handles billions of users in one day, and why most systems would crash instantly. Subscribe now, because we're not just watching the internet grow, we're building its future, one truth at a time.